Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Bilal from Manchester Superstores. I want to address some rumours that have been spread on social media and other platforms about our business. Number one, there's a rumour being spread that we've been fined £80,000. This is totally incorrect. Another thing that has been going on in social media is that we're hiking prices. This is also incorrect. Falsely hiking prices, inflating prices. I've got bills here which I've shown to many of the media today as well that justify and verify that we have had high prices coming from our suppliers. We have stock that we buy every day, 6 days a week, for fruit and veg and meat, and because of the huge panic buying done by customers and hoarding, the prices, we've had a huge demand, and when we've asked our suppliers for stock, they've increased our prices. Where people were buying one lamb leg, for example, they're buying a full lamb. Where they were buying a chicken or two, they bought full boxes. We realised this about 5-6 days ago, and we started to restrict supply, but this actually started about 10 to 12 days ago. What's happening now, our suppliers, which are verified, welcome any trading standards or any other government authority to come in and check our cost prices. Our prices have gone up. Many people are coming in the stores, abusing our staff unnecessarily, being very rude when they've been told that they cannot buy more than one or two items, and then going out and spreading rumours. Where something was costing us, for example, £8-9 in the fresh fruit and veg, is now costing us like £20-24, depending on what it is. The bills and everything can be verified. All this stuff comes from Europe, which everybody knows has gone lockdown, and further afield nothing is really grown in the UK. With the meat, it's the spring lamb season, and because of the huge demand, where normally they'd maybe sell 1,000 lamb, people asking for 10,000, so the farmers are asking their own prices for the products. Once again, I'd like to request everybody, there's no need for panic buying. They should buy what they need. The supply chain is there, and if they buy what they need, we are speaking to our suppliers on a daily basis and reviewing our suppliers, the suppliers that are got stock for 2 or 3 months, the big warehouses, the wholesalers. We are trying to negotiate prices down from them, and if they're not willing to do so, we are also looking for alternative suppliers. Many people have spread false news. In this day and age, this time, false news and fake news is very common. I request people that have sent out these videos to set the record straight and also send this video out. If anybody wants to get in touch with me, many people know me, they can come and visit our head office and on behalf of the community and come and verify these things. I'd like to thank you very much for listening.